Hey guys, Golden Dog here. Alright, Z77 Extreme 6 motherboard here. Heatsinks. The Z77 socket, RAM slots. It's really nice. Beautiful. Hey guys, this is part 2. In this in this part, I'll be mounting the CPU to the CPU socket and putting the RAM in. Just have to figure out how to open this piece of crap. Okay, I got it. I just don't want to damage anything. Okay, so here's the heatsink. I will be getting a H100. Oh, sorry, H100i to put in here. So I'm not actually going to be using this Intel cooler. Alright. So get the processor out of its bloody box. Here we go. Please excuse the noise. My sister has her friend over. Okay, here's the processor. Now, if I can just open it. Alright, what you want to do is you want to touch the processor by the edges, not the actual metal here, shroud on it, and don't touch the gold pins there. So for the Z77 sockets and bloody and processors, the gold the gold things at the top always go at the top of the socket. That's what I've just figured out. So you want to just drop it in there nice and gentle. Try not to force it down. And you'll know which way it goes in because there's little notches on it. So there you go, slide that down. And you have to apply a bit of force here, but there you go. Pretty easy. Now I am installing the RAM. I got 16GB of Corsair Vengeance. I'm running at 1600 MHz. 4 DIMMs, and yeah. Also, my processor I just installed is a 3770K. Alright, so for the RAM, you just want to open these tabs here, and it'll have a notch. The RAM will have a notch on it, so you know which way it goes. You just line that up with the notch in the RAM slot. Slide it down. You have to apply quite a bit of force here. Okay, there's one. And if these little clips don't, I'll show you. If these little clips don't, if those ones don't close up, just close them up by yourself. Or on your own. Whatever. Sorry for the shakiness. Alright. So, you just keep doing that until you have all of them inserted. And yeah, not that hard.